Hello everyone. Today we will know what ELSS means and what are the benefits of it. Equity Linked Savings Scheme or ELSS funds are tax-saving funds that can help them generate wealth, get regular returns, and/or save taxes. They offer tax exemption of up to Rs 1.5 lakh from your annual taxable income under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Why should you invest in ELSS tax-saving mutual funds? Number 1. Most ELSS funds invest across a diverse group of companies ranging from small cap to large cap and across various sectors. Number 2. Shortest lock-in. ELSS has the shortest lock-in period of 3 years. Tax-saving fixed deposits have a 5-year lock-in, while PPF has a 15-year maturity. Number 3. Potentially higher returns. ELSS has the potential to generate significantly higher wealth in a medium to long-term investment horizon. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.